Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to learn about preposition. Okay, and the uses of prepositions and which are prepositions here. Okay, first let's know about what is preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun to show relation, a position of one person or a thing to other person or thing. Okay, example on, over, in, before, after. So first preposition is here between. Okay, so in the use of between we here show the relation between person and thing. Like first example you can see Raju was sitting between me and Ramesh. So here we can see me and Ramesh. Okay, so here we can see the relation between Raju and me is shown here. Now, second example, he can come between 5 pm to 9 pm. So, the possibility is given here. He can come between 5 pm to 9 pm. So, his coming and the time is related here. There is a cricket match between India and Pakistan. So here we can see the team and match relations. Now second preposition among, and you can see also here given meaning in Hindi and Gujarati also. Rahul is the best student among other students. Red is my favorite color among all. SVNIT is the best college among all colleges of my city. Okay, now until and till. Keep learning words until I stop you. Don't go until I inform you. Mona didn't speak until I asked her. He will not forget till the end of his life. Work here till I come back. I will reach there till 15th August. So you can also see here the uses of until and till. The preposition until and till also show the relation between person or thing. First example, keep learning words until I stop you. Okay, so the process of learning and my until I stop you. Okay, so the process of learning and the process of stop is also connect here. Don't go until I inform you. Okay, so don't go and inform is also connect here. Mona didn't speak until I asked her. So the process of speak and ask, and Mona and her, Mona and I also, the relation between me and Mona is also shown here. He will not forget till the end of his life. Work here till I come back. So work and my comeback also connect here with the preposition till. I will reach there till 15th August. Now fourth, during. So the meaning of during also given in Hindi and Gujarati also. During the semester break, I will go to my home. Mahesh was ill during the night. I watched that program during my lunch break. So, with the use of during, we can see the relation between during semester break and I will go to home. So, the semester break and my going to home is connect here. Mahesh was ill during the night. I watched that program during my lunch break. So the program, watching of the program and my lunch break also connect with this preposition during. Now, fifth prepositions by. He is an engineer by profession. I met my uncle by chance. We went to Navsari by bus. Okay, now through. The meaning of through is also given here in Gujarati and Hindi also. I received letter through courier. I am looking through window. You can only achieve success through hard work. before. I will prepare my project before exams. You can call me anytime before 4 o'clock. I have finished my shopping before Diwali. So, you can see in preposition before, prepare my project before exams. So, the completing of project and exams connect here with the preposition before. You can call me anytime before 4 o'clock. So, the timing and the call also connect here and related here with the with the preposition before. I have finished my shopping before Diwali. So the shopping and the Diwali is also show the relation with before preposition. After, I will go to my office after lunch. I will start my work after 5 minutes. The police ran after the thief. While I talk with him while walking, he always listens music while driving. Some countries are wealthy while others are poor. In front of, I have parked my car in front of the shop. So the parking of car and the place is connect here with the preposition in front. He accepted his fault in front of the family. He watched himself in front of the mirror. Since I have known him since 1990, he has had physical trouble since his accident. I have been teaching you since 2008. Against Pakistan could not play well against India. So, the playing and against India, the playing of that teams also connect with this preposition against. Whole world is against terrorism. We have to fight against problems of our country. Within, I will get my passport within a week. The anger was still there deep within him. I will be back within an hour. Without. He spoke without much enthusiasm. I will not go without my brother. Man is like an animal without any aim. Around. The garden has a wall all around it. They wandered around the town looking for the soap. I will see you around 5 o'clock. So, here are the some prepositions here. In next video, I will tell you others prepositions. Thank you.